Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. This is Friday Night Gab, and I am not live in this video. Excuse me. Sinus issues always. It's still summer here. It was 87 today, and it is humid. It's supposed to start to be about 80 coming up soon, very soon. So hopefully soon. The rain, we had a lot of rain here. That last hurricane, Helene, really, we were supposed to get like 4 to 6 inches of rain, and we didn't. We got that kind of rain from the previous hurricane. So I know that there's more hurricanes coming. Hopefully everybody will be safe. And that one, I think, just really did a number even on the weather people. You know, it's just horrible, just horrible. So, you know, please keep everybody in your prayers. What I'm wearing, this is the Nomad Iceland Fire and Ice palette. It's stunning. These shimmers are incredible. They are just brilliant. They're brilliant. And it's hard to see on camera, really hard to see on camera, but that's what I'm wearing. And I got this as a gift from Erlene S, and I'll put her below. If you don't know her channel, you should go check her out. She's in a collab, and I'll tell you more about that in a little bit. But you know, our collabs usually include a giveaway. And on my lips, I'm wearing Complex Culture. And this is just one of my favorites. This is Legend. It is Pout Clout lipstick in Legend. And that is the color. I just think this color looks so good on a lot of different, on most skin tones, I think. Let's see. The weather, I just told you about the weather. See, you know, my head is still bonkers. I was bonkers before, so, you know, falling didn't help me, that's for sure. Let's see, this week, what's been going on this week, Mary? Okay, let's see. You know, I did a video because I had a few people ask me about advent calendars and affordable advent calendars. That's really a difficult thing, because if you're gonna get something that gives you 12 or 24 or 25 items, you gotta pay something for it. So it's hard to find, you know, inexpensive. So I just went with under $200 because, you know, yeah, because I know that's expensive. But hopefully if you're looking for an advent calendar, that might inspire you to some degree. And some of y'all talking back and forth on the comments and all. I did want to mention, I didn't mention in that video, but Aldi, if you have an Aldi by you, they do advent calendars. A lot of stores don't do them. They're hard to find, but Aldi does advent calendars with a lot of different things. Like they have for children, so they have toys. They have tea. Well, no, maybe I made that up. They might have had tea at one time. I don't know if they do. They have a wine calendar. They have a cheese calendar. They have chocolate. I'm not sure what else, but I never can make it there in time. They're always sold out by the time I get there. But they have, except that their chocolate calendars, they usually have quite a bit of them. And they have 2 different ones, if I remember. One's a little more bougie than the other, but you know what? I've had them both, and they're good. When I was a kid, I remember only one time ever, a friend of my mom's, maybe even, I just remember the mail coming, and it was from out of town. It was a package, and in there was a German advent calendar, which is, I think, where they originate from. And there was a piece of chocolate behind each. You know, you pull the door out. It was cardboard, and you open the door for the December 1 and pull the chocolate out. And I believe, if I remember correctly, they said 1 calendar, and there were 3 children. So, like, you know, my brother might get day 1, I might get day 2, my sister might get day 3, like that. I don't really remember, but I remember that it was fascinating to me, the advent calendar, because it helped you count your way to Christmas. It's delightful. It's a delightful thing to help make your way to Christmas. So Aldi's does have the chocolate calendars, and like I said, one is a little more fancy, and they're nice. So, and they're like, well, $10 or $12, but that was a year or 2 ago, so who knows what they cost now. And they come out, I want to say, around November 5th to 10th, somewhere in that range. So something to look forward to look for if you need to have super, super cheap and you don't mind that it's not beauty stuff, you know, that it's chocolate is good. So, and it's fun to get a little treat each day. So, I am, let's see, I want to give away. I want to give away from Char's Fashion Nation, and I'll put her below too. Any channel that I ever mention, I always try to put them in the description. If I don't, and you want to go see them, and I forgot to or something, please tell me, and I'll give you the link. But I want to give away. I haven't received it yet, but you know what that means. I want to give away, so you can win a giveaway. Look forward to that. It's coming up. And then, y'all, my treasure trove continuing giveaway. I had a video up this week. I think it might have been Thursday. And I'm going to end that for right now. I will pick it up again probably in January or February. We'll see. We'll see how things go. But I just was forgetting it. Hey, Blue, do you want to say hi to everybody? Why don't you look at the camera and they can see your gorgeous face? Well, he doesn't. All right, all right, all right. He's moving the camera, and oh my goodness sakes. Are you gonna sit? Sit. Now look at, this is all cockeyed. I apologize, y'all. Y'all, I'm sorry. Okay, let me tell you about the collabs. I'm in a collab. I have a collab going that I'm the hostess. I'm the host of it. I'll tell you about that in a minute. I'm gonna tell you about another collab that's going on right now. Let me fix this. I think that's a little bit better, but I don't think there's any fixing this. My ring stand has been plummeted to the floor by this one right here. This one right here. He's right here, Blue. Blue, hey, Blue. Oh, look at your eye. You all right, lovey? Anyway, all right. So there's two collabs going on right now that I'm aware of, okay? Mine and somebody else's. Okay, so Faye Blatcher, she's a dear friend. She has a channel. She does a lot of makeup. She does hauls. She does a lot of get ready with me. She's a really lovely lady. I've known her a while. She has a collab that she's hosting that is called the End of Summer Temu collab. And in that collab, besides Faye, is Erlene S., All Things Arlene, Pia, Makeup by Pia is in there, Tracy and Chloe, Unboxing Beauty and More is in there, and then there are 10 channels altogether. Those are people that I have done collabs with and know pretty well. So go check them out. And they have a playlist, I do believe. So if you start with Faye, you know, then you should be able to follow everybody. And then I have a collab that is gonna be, it's a quarterly collab. This is our 3rd season that we're doing it. And mine is called the Temu Holiday Haul. And that is going on until October 12th. And in that collab, I have fabulous channels. You know, if I know you on YouTube as a channel and I watch you and love you, I love you. I think you're fabulous. I think my subscribers are fabulous. I love y'all. Y'all make me so happy. You know, I don't know that I've said that in a while, so I want to reiterate. Okay, so in my collab is Favorites with Laura. Favorites with Laura is a wonderful Temu hauler, and she does other things. She does Mass Monday. She does she opens up the Ipsy Glam bag, and she gets other boxes that she opens, and she gets PR, and she gets fabulous Temu. She's really into the electronic stuff. So things that like I'm afraid to try, you know, she opens it up and makes it work. She shows you how to work it. So that's really cool. And then we have Reviews with Sue. Reviews with Sue is a longtime friend of mine, and she has a wonderful channel. Reviews with Sue opens everything. She opens so much stuff. It's wonderful. All kinds of subscription boxes. And she also does Temu. And she also buys, I find so many things on these channels that I'm like, I gotta get that. You know, I gotta check that out on Temu. And Reviews with Sue does it as well. And then we have Nona's Here. And Nona's Here does Mass Mondays. And she also does a lot of Temu. And she does some crafting and things like that. And she gets a lot of her crafts from Temu and from the Dollar Tree. And a lot of these ladies I do other collabs with as well. Also with that other collab, you know, a lot of us are intertwined with each other. And Nona's Here is Teddy. And Teddy's husband is in a lot of her videos, and he's called Grumpy Grandpa, and he's super smart, and he does Mask Monday with her. I love it because it's so important for us to take care of our skin. Not just women. Everybody should be taking care of their skin. Men, why not? Why shouldn't a man mask and take care of his skin? Why not? And Nona does beautiful crafting. She made this gorgeous wreath for me and sent that to me as a gift. Isn't that beautiful? This it's gorgeous. And she does a lot of Temu. And then there's Haulin' It with Mima, which is Tammy. And Tammy does a lot of Temu hauls. And she does some Temu collabs and things like that. And Tammy is a lot of fun. It's like sitting down having coffee with her. That's how her videos are. And I just love her. And I love all these ladies. And Tea Time Adventures is Tea Time. I've known Tea forever. And she does all kinds of videos. She does boxes. She does different kinds of boxes. She does some makeup and stuff. She loves ColourPop. And she does some food boxes, and she does Mask Mondays, and she does collabs, and she does Temu also. So all of those that I just mentioned that are in this collab with me, they are all Temu affiliates. So if you are interested at all in Temu, go check their channels out. Oh, and Miss Jackie Russell, I'm so sorry. She's also, I'll tell you about her in a second, but she's also a Temu affiliate. So those 6 channels, there's 6 channels that are in my group that are Temu affiliates. So you can use their codes and save money, and then they get credit where they, I don't think they actually get the money, but they get like a purse, if you will, seeding money is what Miss Jackie calls it, where they can buy stuff to show us. In different campaigns that Temu wants them to do. So Miss Jackie Russell, I've known her a good while now also. And Miss Jackie is, she raises puppies. And I think she's trying to retire from that, but she's still got some cute puppies and little doggies and stuff. So cute. And she does all kinds of unboxings as well. And then she does Temu. And she does like fashion shows. What she buys from Temu, what she gets from Temu, any of the clothing she tries on for us. So then you can see how it fits and see that, you know, their sizing is different than ours. So you have to look at that stuff. And anyway, so let's keep going. We also have Katie's Corner of the World. I've known Katie since I think I started my channel. Katie and I started our channels around the very same time, and we met each other very quickly. And I think how we met was in a collab. We did a collab with some other people, and we met, and we've been friends ever since. And Katie has a very, very busy life. I know a lot of us have very busy lives, but Katie's got kids, and they take up a lot of time. Kids take up a lot of time. So she does a lot of different unboxings, and she does some get ready with me's, and she's been doing videos that'll, spoiler videos. I love those videos. Tells us about FabFitFun and about different Ipsy and things like that. Spoilers of what's coming. And did I mention everybody? Carol Gardner. Carol Gardner she's my bestie. She's my bestie. And she does, she had taken a little bit of a break. She had fallen and broken her hip a little over a year ago. And so she does videos here and there, but she sort of takes breaks from that. But she does a lot of boxes. She's opened a lot of boxes. And she does a lot of, she's done a few Get Ready With Me. She does Mask Mondays and Temu hauls, different kinds of hauls. And she really likes the decor boxes. So she's done a lot. She's done tons of makeup boxes, and she's been moving toward decor boxes. So check all these fabulous channels out, y'all. And check out our collab, because of course we're all doing giveaways. And it'll be a lot of fun if you win. It'll be a lot of fun if you win. So check it out. And I think that's it. That's really all I have for tonight's Friday Night Gab. I hope you all have a safe and good good weekend. It's not a holiday. I'm off this weekend. I can't wait. I can't wait. Just because I need to rest. And y'all, I know there's other hurricanes coming, so please keep everybody in your prayers and stay safe. And listen carefully to your weather, because I think that Helene went, from what I understand, when, was coming through It went a little more east than than they thought it would. It kept inching more and more east in the predictions, and then it hit the cold air from the north, and that's where all that flooding came into play. And I don't know that those areas got that prediction about all that flooding. So it was very, very tragic. So please listen to your weather and pay attention. If we all have a cell phone, right? Make sure you have alerts on your phone so you can, because those will be right for your area, okay? So y'all stay safe, be careful, and count your blessings. Bye-bye, y'all. Good night.